So I've come back to Hebden Bridge today. We're going to do something a little bit different. I have got my Canon camera with me, but we're probably not going to be using it much, if at all, because what has happened is my partner entered a competition and she won a camera. This is the camera. It's a snap camera, a film camera with 35mm filming with, I think it's got 24 exposures on it, and I can't remember what film it were. It's some kind of Kodak, I can't remember. But we're going to go out and we're going to try and take some photos on it and see how we go. Now, I'm not used to taking photos on a film camera. I'm usually taking them on the Canon R8 or the R6. So I can take as many as I want and just pick the best one, basically. Or if I miss a shot, I can just take it again to some extent. But with this, once you've took the shot, that's it, innit? Because it's on film. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out, we're going to take some pictures with it, and then hopefully we're going to go and get it developed, and we're going to see what comes back on it. Now, I'm not holding my breath. I think I'm going to be horrible at this, and I think there's going to be some horrible pictures, but we'll see how it goes. We'll give it a try, and we'll see how it works, but we're gonna go and see. So yeah, snap 35mm. Let's go and give it a go. That's a flash coming on. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Shall we give it a go? Might wait for someone to come past. Still flashing, won't get worse. Oh, it's flashing. That there, that silver thing. I don't know what these are going to come out like because my flash is not working as it should. So half of my pictures at the start were flashing, even though my flash were off. going to be in this reflection. Not sure about that one. Might take a couple here, I don't know. Get someone in the middle of this window. I've took 15 pictures already, but a few of them were like misfires. Well, not misfires, but you alright? Yeah. Well, it's not disposable, but it's like a cheap. My girlfriend won it in a competition.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
so
cool.
I just thought I'd come out and see what it's like.
You know, weirdly, they always turn out really nice on those, don't they?
Yeah, they do. A bit retro, aren't they? So see what it's like. But I don't even know if it's working or not.
Do you know how to work it?
Yeah, I know how to work it,
I was
but
going to say that'll be a start.
it keeps flashing when the flash is turned off, so God knows what they'll turn out like. A bit closer maybe. Right, we're back in the car. I've had a little walk around Ebden Bridge. I don't know what these photos are going to come out like, and I haven't decided whether I'm going to put them up as I take them or whether I'm going to do the video and then show you at the end. As I showed you at the beginning, I've been using this camera. I think it's faulty, to be honest. Like I said, my partner won it, but they're meant to be £35. and the quality's, I know £35 isn't much, but the quality's just not there for it really. I replaced the battery because every time I took a picture, the flash were going off, regardless of if the flash was switched on or off. There's like a button at the front there that you can switch the flash on and off. It was still going off no matter what. It kept feeling like something were loose inside as well. It's very cheaply made, I think, and I'm just going to see what the pictures come out like. I might be pleasantly surprised, but we will see. I just need to rewind the film, so let's do that now. There we go. Oh, hang on, sorry, I've got to pull it up, Anna. Have I got to pull it up? Yeah, I have. There we go. That should be better. I should be able to pull it out. Right, so, let me just fold the camera back. So this is the film that we're in. Kodak 400. Were it Ultra Max? I think it were Ultra Max. I'm not sure if that's what it's called or not. But anyway, this is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that to the lab in my local town. And we're going to get them developed and see what happens. I might actually go there now real quick and hand it into them, because sometimes it can take them a couple of days if they're busy to get it back. So let's go and do that now. Alright, I ain't got my microphone on, so the sound might be a bit different, but I'm here. I'm going to go and get this developed. Hey, alright, just want that developing.
Of course you can't. Right, anyway, I've got no packets up here. Way up.
Yeah, you alright?
Enjoy, mate.
Yeah, no worries, it's no rush anyway, thank you.
You download comes from Smash as well, it don't come from WeTransfer.
Oh, has it changed now?
Yeah, it don't come from WeTransfer, it comes from Smash.
Right.
So check your bank.
Yeah, alright, no worries, thank you. See you later.